This is the craziest Toyota truck you've ever seen on the internet. We're talking about a 12x12 beast that looks like it just rolled off a military base. This isn't just a truck. This is a rolling fortress with a 5-star hotel built right into it. If you clicked on this video expecting something insane, trust me, you're about to get exactly what you came for. Welcome back to AutoScope Analyst, where we explore the most incredible machines that push the limits of what's possible. Today, we're checking out the Toyota Thunderbone, a 12-wheel motorhome that combines military-grade toughness with 5-star luxury. This isn't your average RV. This is a rolling fortress designed to take you anywhere while keeping you living in absolute comfort. So, let's dive in and see what makes this beast so special. Let's talk about the exterior first because this thing is massive. The Thunderbone runs on a 12x12 setup. That's 6 giant wheels on each side, giving you 12 wheels total gripping the ground. These are heavy-duty off-road tires with aggressive tread patterns designed to tackle mud, sand, snow, and rocks without breaking a sweat. Up front, you've got the bold Toyota grille with an iconic logo sitting right in the center and the Thunderbone branding on that reinforced steel bumper. The bumper comes with a heavy-duty winch and red recovery hooks for serious off-road situations. The lighting on this thing is absolutely crazy. There's a massive LED light bar on the roof, bumper spotlights, fog lights, and side lights that can light up the entire wilderness like it's daytime. Now, let's step inside. And this is where things get really impressive. The moment you walk in, you're greeted with a spacious living area featuring a premium leather sectional sofa that wraps around the space. There are custom bunk beds with quality bedding, providing genuine comfort for families or groups traveling together. The cabin features a skylight that brings in natural light during the day and large panoramic windows on the sides so you can enjoy amazing views wherever you are. The ambient LED lighting creates this warm, inviting atmosphere at night. And the dark wood floors with a refined color scheme look absolutely premium. The kitchen comes fully equipped with everything you need to prepare real meals on the road, making this perfect for long trips. There's also a complete bathroom with a luxury shower area so you can stay fresh and clean no matter how far off the grid you go. Now, let's move to the driver's seat because this is where you command the beast. The cockpit feels like sitting in a spaceship. You've got a premium leather steering wheel with Toyota branding and multi-function controls for everything you need. Right in front of you is a full digital instrument cluster showing your speed, RPM, navigation, and all your vehicle info in a clean, easy-to-read display. To your right, there's this huge vertical touchscreen that handles the navigation, entertainment, climate control, and all your vehicle settings. The seats are premium black leather with orange contrast stitching designed for maximum comfort on those long drives across the country. The center console is packed with cool features. There's wireless phone charging to keep your devices powered up, a sport mode selector for when you want full power, and drive mode buttons for different terrains like sand, mud, snow, and rocks. You've got off-road controls with 4-wheel drive systems and differential locks for serious trail work. And there are multiple camera views on that big touchscreen to help you navigate tight spots or back into campsites with ease. This cockpit gives you complete control and confidence no matter where you're driving. Now, let's talk power because the Thunderbone has serious muscle under the hood. This beast is powered by a heavy-duty diesel engine that delivers massive torque. We're talking anywhere from 800 to over 1,200 lb-ft depending on the specific build. That kind of power means you can climb steep mountain grades, power through deep mud, and handle any terrain without struggling. The 12x12 configuration isn't just for show. Having 12 wheels provides incredible traction and distributes the weight perfectly. This setup lets the Thunderbone go places that would stop regular motorhomes dead in their tracks. We're talking deep sand dunes, rocky mountain trails, snow-covered passes, and muddy forest roads. The 4-wheel drive system with locking differentials makes sure power goes to the wheels that need it most, giving you confidence in the toughest conditions. The suspension is built to handle rough off-road trails while still giving you a smooth, comfortable ride on the highway. The ground clearance is impressive, so you can roll over obstacles that would tear up a normal RV. This is a machine built for people who want to explore the most remote and beautiful places in America without giving up comfort. The Toyota Thunderbone is built for adventurers who refuse to compromise. If you want to explore the deserts of Arizona, the mountains of Colorado, the forests of the Pacific Northwest, or even head up to Alaska, and you want to do it in total luxury, this is your ride. It's perfect for families who love epic road trips and want everyone to have space and comfort. It's ideal for outdoor enthusiasts who need a base camp that can truly go anywhere. Whether you're hunting, fishing, taking photos, or just getting away from civilization for a while, this motorhome is the ultimate combination of go-anywhere capability and stay-anywhere luxury. Most RVs make you choose between tough off-road performance and comfortable living. The Thunderbone gives you both in one incredible package. It's a rolling fortress, a mobile luxury apartment, and an unstoppable off-road machine, all wrapped into one. And that's the Toyota Thunderbone 12x12 Motorhome. One of the most insane vehicles ever built. This beast proves you don't have to sacrifice comfort for adventure. If you love this video, make sure you hit that like button and drop a comment below telling us what you think. Would you take this beast on an epic cross-country adventure? Let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to AutoScope Analyst. Click on the video on your screen right now to check out more insane vehicles. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.